In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Eventbrite. Whether you want the entire website to appear in a different language while you browse, or you need a specific event page to display in a certain language for attendees, I'll walk you through both options clearly. First, let's change the language for the Eventbrite website on a computer or a mobile browser. Open eventbrite.com and sign into your account. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the country and language selector. Click it, then choose the country or language you prefer. The page will refresh automatically and Eventbrite will remember your choice for future visits. For example, you can switch your region from United States to Philippines or swap the interface language from English to Spanish, depending on what's available for that region. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page. Also keep in mind that your browser's language settings can influence what you see, but the footer selection is the primary control, and Eventbrite confirms that language is managed from this region selector. There isn't a hidden switch in your profile for this. The footer is where you set it for overall browsing. Now, if you're an event organizer and you want to set the language for one specific event, you'll do that from your events dashboard. Open your event dashboard, go to Build Event Page, and select Date and Time. Click More Options, then choose the event page language you want. This setting applies only to that event's page. It's useful if you run events in different markets or want a localized landing page for a particular audience. It won't change the language of your whole account or other events, and it doesn't replace the footer setting for general site browsing. To wrap up, remember these key points. Eventbrite doesn't have a universal language button in account settings. Your experience usually depends on three things: the region you pick in the footer, your browser's language, and any event-specific language you set as an organizer. Use the footer selector to control how the site appears to you across Eventbrite, and use the event page language when you need a particular listing to display differently for attendees. That's all you need. Set your preferred language in the footer for everyday browsing and customize individual event pages from the dashboard when needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present your events clearly to the right audience.